Hello there, it's Marie. Today I'm doing a Halloween costume, a Halloween mani with one set. Is this considered a unicorn? I don't know, but it is from 2018. Oh my gourd. I didn't open it yet because it's so old I didn't want to risk any of it drying out. So look at that orange with the little pumpkin. I think this is so cute. So let's cross our fingers that it's still, oh, it's not sticking to the plastic. Look at that. Smell is strong, just like a brand new set. There we go. Look at that orange glitter. So pretty. Let's see. Oops, I forgot a light. Sorry. I don't know if that made a difference, but all right, let's get into it. So cute. Uh-oh. Must be cautious on these. Oh no. I don't know that it's going to work. It feels pretty stiff. Oh no. Oh, it just, yeah, broke right off. Oh, oh man. That is a bummer. Guess we need to start using these OG set. Oh, look at that. Just broke right off. Let me find. See. I mean, it feels like it's sticking, so that's good. But it is crispy. I don't have a warming mat, so let's just see how this goes for the rest. So I'm not going to be able to stretch on my words. Oh yeah. I just broke it. These are not going to fit right, I don't think. And I've been saving this to wear, and then I forgot about it. It is sticking on. I don't know if it's because I have gel on. I'm applying these over gel, the Cleo color, because I can't wear Color Street by itself. My nails will break. And I like to have a little length with them. But I love Color Street, so yeah. Probably end up tossing all of these. Such a bummer. There's no way they're stretching whatsoever. Oh, see that? And these were totally sealed up. I don't know if I can patch it with a little piece. since it's so crunchy. Look at that, it's just coming right off. Oh, I think use a clipper. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Let's see, there's Orly Bonder. I am going to, well, actually that is staying. Put a little dab right here. Oh. Wow. If I can get that piece to stay on, I'm just going to leave it alone for now. I can put a top coat on. And then it'll stay. I was going to use a thumb for my middle, thinking because I can't stretch this and it's just not wide enough to really cover as much as I like covered. Oh, I'm gonna do it this way. These are sticking on, so that's good. I swear I keep seeing a little fruit fly, and I don't even know why, because we don't have fruit in here. That's cute. Has anyone else done an OG set and go to put it on? Oh, look at that. I think I lined it back up. I forgot. Oh, man. Oh, there, it went back on. Ah, so terrible. I really want to wear this set. We'll see how long it goes. All right. Yeah, I'd be careful buying any OGs too. And I store my sets nice, so it's probably just because it's old. I will put the top coat on. So cute though. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, I can hear it crunching. Can you hear that? Wow. Such a bummer. Oh, that didn't go in. So crunchity crunch crunch. So cute though. Yeah, it's hard when you stretch your strips and you're not able to. Keep that in mind. You gotta be real mindful with these, which my hands don't always know how to be gentle. Definitely will need top coats. I love Color Street's plumping top coat. I used to always use the, gosh, what's it called? OPI. The OPI plumping top coat. But then when Color Street came out with theirs, I started buying that and I really like it. Some people say that they get shrinkage on their strips. I don't think I've ever had that happen. I did have that happen with the OPI though. Oh, one of my lights just went out. Sorry, just a second. Okay, wrinkle there. Go. That one isn't really wanting to stay on. Oh. I think I'll use the large one since I'm not keeping all of these. They're just crunchy, crunch, crunch. Darn it. I meant to use the other side. I wonder if I can line it up. Yeah, you can't even see it. That orange is, wow, so pretty. Yeah, still pretty. Okay, last one. Such a bummer. You see that, how dried out those are? I mean, I don't know if I even were to warm them up, if that would even work. Because they are just... I'll show you. Look. See how crispy that is. Well, I'm glad I was able to make it work. And we'll put the pumping top coat on and hope that'll help a little for them to stay. That is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.